Over the past 10 years, I've coached thousands of business owners Meta ads. And if there's one particular business type that exceeds the rest as far as the speed in which they're able to level up and take their business to all new heights, it's local based businesses. And in this video, I'm going to break down why Meta ads for local based businesses can transform the trajectory of your business. I'm going to show you the 3 main things that every local based business owner's team needs in order to level up and take their business to record months consistently instead of going through that revenue roller coaster month after month. So the most important factor that every local based business needs right now is attention. Attention is like currency. The more of it you get, the more wealthy you can become. And for local-based businesses, it's even more important to gain as much attention as possible. Now, I don't think many local-based business owners understand that in their place of business, within a 5 to 10 mile radius, there is money sitting all around them. All around them. Okay. And it's really interesting because I will be driving in my city and I'll decide to kind of take a look around as I'm driving to be a little bit more aware. And I'll find local based businesses that I didn't even know existed that are really, really cool. And if they just got a little bit more attention on them, I know that they would absolutely crush it. You have to understand, there are thousands of buyers around you that are willing to spend money, and that can generate thousands, if not millions, of additional revenue every single year if you're just intentional about gaining more attention. But the problem is, most businesses lack visibility. And visibility equals revenue. The more visible you are, the more revenue you can generate within your business. Okay? Now, the beauty of ads is that ads begin to capture attention for your business so that you can turn the dollars that are around you into dollars that actually begin to come into your place of business every single day consistently. Now, another thing that I explain to business owners is they could have the most amazing business in the world, the most amazing business in the city, better than any of their competition. But if no one knows you exist, who does that benefit? Absolutely no one. So it is imperative that you start focusing more on attention and start running Meta ads effectively, or get your team. Find someone on your team that can do it in-house for you. Now, after you begin to gain the attention, the next level up is authority. And this is the secret sauce to why local ads work so well. I want you to picture this. This is your place of business, but you also have competition that is also in the local area as well. Okay. Now, what I like to tell my students that come in and crush it once they understand this fact is that yes, you have competition in your local area, but the big separator between you and your competition is that if you learn to run Meta ads effectively, that is going to trump anything that these other business owners are trying to do. Because a lot of business owners, here's their strategy. Let me go out into the community. Let me pay for billboards. Let me pay to get my face on a bus or something like that. Let me rely on referrals. And the thing is, those are not consistent strategies that are going to bring in consistent revenue into your business. And that's a big problem. So what will happen eventually is that these businesses, they might have one super high revenue generating month because they got a lot of referrals that month. But what happens the next month when those referrals die down and there's not as much foot traffic coming in? Their business is going to begin to tank. Okay. But with ads give you a level of predictability in your business so that instead of having these roller coaster months, now every month turns into more money for your business. It gives you more stability. Okay. And this is a key factor that I want to bring up as well. Almost no one in your local area is buying attention consistently. And like I said, if they are buying attention via meta ads, a lot of them aren't doing it the right way. So that puts you at a huge advantage when it comes to running ads when you learn it the right way. By the way, I did a complete video breakdown on how you can train your in-house team on how to run meta ads. I'll drop the link in the description for you. But almost no one is doing it the right way. So what's going to happen is your competition is going to have those roller coaster up and down months, but you are going to have more consistency. And over time, what begins to happen if you do this consistently is that you become an authority in your niche, in your city. I'm telling you right now, if you run ads consistently, you will turn into a local celebrity. Your business will turn into a household name, because I have students right now inside of my inner circle that are currently household names in their city, and everybody knows them and they're getting constant foot traffic simply because they're betting on Facebook ads and they're deciding to go pro with marketing. And when you do that, things change for your business very quickly. Now, familiarity wins locally, okay? People want to go to a business that they can trust and that they can go to consistently and have a very good experience. So what's going to happen is if you continue to show up on their feed, inside of their messenger, on WhatsApp, if you just continue to show up because you're running ads the right way, you're now going to become the most known, okay? It's not the best who wins, it's the most known who wins. So the more you're putting yourself out there, and as people begin to continue to have these really good experiences in your business, you're going to become that household name. And these other businesses that are your competition, they're going to continue to go lower and lower in the totem pole when it comes to potential customers. And you, on the other hand, are going to continue to get more and more eyeballs on your brand, and these people are going to continue to come and shop with you consistently. The businesses that stay more visible are the businesses that people can trust. All right, so right now you understand that attention creates authority. And once you have authority, that turns into acquisition, okay? And this is the third piece of the pie, and this is where you start generating large amounts of money. And this is where ad strategy comes into play here, okay? You want to acquire more and more customers. So this is how your ads are going to look right now. I'm going to break down the entire strategy. I have students right now in my inner circle that are local based businesses that are having record months. They've never made this type of money before. They've never had this type of attention on their brand before. But the reason why is because of what I'm going to go over right now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to set up your ad, okay? So we'll just call this your ad. All right, now, when it comes to your ad, couple pieces that I want to break down here for you. When it comes to your ad, number one, you have to have an irresistible offer. Has to be a mouth-watering, game-changing offer, okay? That is number one. Your offer is going to drive everything. You could have the best ad strategy in the world, but if your offer doesn't hit and isn't on point, you are going to fail. So it is very important to spend some time focusing on what that offer is going to be, because the offer is what's going to drive the sale, okay? Now, think about this. Your offer has to be something so mouthwatering that people are willing to shop with you as opposed to shopping with someone else, okay? Don't give them your throwaway offer that doesn't really add any impact. Give away that offer that kind of makes you feel nervous inside. It kind of makes you feel a little uneasy that you're even giving away something so valuable. Those are the mouth-watering offers that I'm talking about. And when you can do that, everything changes. So for instance, a lot of our students do giveaways where they'll give away something for free in exchange for leads, okay? When I trained Crumble Cookies in-house marketing team, we gave away free cookies for an entire year, all right? For 52 weeks, plus $500. That is a mouth-watering, game-changing offer. And because of that, we generated over 13,000 new leads within about 2.5 weeks. So I want you to get your wheels turning on that a little bit, all right? So now back to my drawing here. So you have your ad. Okay, you have your irresistible offer. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna run Facebook and Instagram ads. So I'll just put FB and IG because you're gonna be running Facebook and Instagram ads. All right, now this ad, you're going to send people to a landing page. Okay, now your landing page needs to be specifically crafted in a way that's going to capture the most leads possible. Okay. That is the goal, lead generation here. So you don't want your landing page to have a bunch of different offers on them. You want your landing page to have one offer and one offer only, because the more options you give people, the less likely they are to take action and take advantage of that offer. Why? Because they begin to get confused and they begin to analyze. And when they analyze too long, they become paralyzed and they don't take any action at all and they end up leaving. Baby starts crying, something happens and they leave. So you have to make sure that your landing page has a couple key elements. You want to have a really good headline that speaks to your target audience's biggest pain points and deepest desires. That's the first thing, all right? You want to have features of what it is that you're offering plus the benefits of it. You want to have testimonials on that landing page as well to show that, wow, this business here has really good products and other people are saying the same thing. Those are a few of the things that you want. Also, you want to make sure that you're optimizing that landing page for mobile, because about 83% of the traffic that comes from Facebook and Instagram ads comes off of mobile. So you want to make sure your landing page is optimized for mobile. This is key, getting people on the landing page and getting people to opt in. Because a lot of times I'll have people that come to me that are trying to, jump into our program. And they'll say, Steven, like, I'm running these ads and I think I'm doing everything right, but I'm getting a lot of traffic, but I'm not getting a lot of leads. That's a big problem that happens when people are only focused on the meta ad side, but not focused on the landing page. The landing page is what's going to allow you to get the opt-ins. So you need to have both of these things working together. A good opt-in rate is 15 to 20%, I would say. Some of our students are up to 30% opt-in, okay? So landing page is number 2. Get people to the landing page and capture the leads, all right? Now, let's just say you're offering someone a free item. So when they enter their information and become a lead, you email them that redemption ticket. So let's just say that customer comes in with that redeemable ticket and they bring you the redeemable ticket and they get their free item. Now that they're in the store, in your place of business, one of the keys is being able to upsell them into another product, okay? Additional purchases. And this is where having a great product suite is essential. For instance, we have a student we're working with. She has a tea shop and she gets people to come in to redeem a free tea. But because she has so many other options, she's getting a ton of upsells and getting a ton of other people to buy. So that's one thing that I want you to understand. Whoever's willing to spend the most money to acquire a customer wins. Do not worry too much about the front end in your ad costs here. Don't worry too much about that, because if you can acquire that customer and they come into your place of business here and they have a really good experience, guess what? You might not be as profitable initially when they come in, but they're going to continue to come back in to your place of business over and over and over again. And then they're going to bring their family in there. Then they're going to tell their friends about it. Okay. And then you're going to have a gang of people wanting to come to your place of business to shop. And it begins to compound over and over and over and over again. Okay. So that is the key. Have that upsell in place. Now, here's what happens. After this family comes in, and after you get all these people coming to your place of business, the most valuable thing that you've collected along the way is leads, names, phone numbers, and emails. So now what happens is these people come into your place of business, but now you also have their information. You have their names, phone numbers, and emails. So now, because of that, because you've collected their emails and their phone numbers, now you begin to promote other items to them, and they become part of your list. And this is the fun part here, because this is where you can create really elaborate automations, okay? So the way that I would break this down is every week, we'll say this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So what happens is every week you're going to hit these people with a new message. Okay, you're going to hit these people with a new message. This can be something promoting a new offer you have for them to come in, or this could be something to nurture your audience. Okay, nurturing is a game changer because, again, the businesses that are most known and people are most comfortable with are the businesses that win repeatedly. Okay, win repeatedly. So if you're showing up inside of their inbox and on their phone weekly with new offers, with stories to nurture your audience, with testimonials of other people that have had a great experience, what's going to happen over time is these people are going to get hit with these emails and text messages. And over time, they're going to buy. Maybe the second email they get turns into a purchase. Maybe the fourth email they get turns into a purchase. Maybe 2 months down the road, they're sitting there and you have a flash sale of some sort. And for the next 12 hours, anyone that comes into the shop gets 50% off. Next thing you know, those people are going to come in. But ultimately, this nurture sequence right here is what's going to generate the majority of your sales. And this is where a lot of businesses fail. They don't have a list. They don't have a nurture sequence going on. They don't have the things necessary to be a successful business over time. And because of that, they struggle and they go out of business, or they're on the brink of going out of business. And every month turns into another roller coaster. They have the highest of the highs and then the lowest of the lows. So what this strategy is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to show up more. And when you show up more and you're more known, that turns into repeat customers over time. Now, there's some business owners that sit here and say, oh, that was so elaborate, I don't have time to do all of this stuff. But that is why we also train in-house marketing teams to do this for you. So I would recommend find someone that you trust and train them up on this stuff, because once you do, now you can focus on the higher level activities of the business and let your marketing team or your one marketing person that's in-house do it for you. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Again, if you want to see more of a step-by-step on this thing and how this works, I do have another video I will link in the description that breaks it down. But I wanted to give you a real solid high-level overview of what you need to be doing in your local-based business to have record months consistently and turn that roller coaster ride of a business that you have into something that continues to just go up and up every single month. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We drop videos like this every single week. Like this video, share it with some people that might need it, and I will see you guys in the next one.